हेलो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी सम वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फिनोमेना, that is the scattering of light. And on this scattering phenomena you all can prepare an art integration project or experiential learning project. Just we will see in this module. So my dear children, today we are going to see a very important phenomenon of physics, that is scattering of light, that we are going to learn today, my dear children. In that scattering of light, what is that scattering of light? Is the phenomenon of scattering of light is the phenomenon of change in the direction of light. Change in the direction of light. That is the main thing. Change in the direction of light on striking an obstacle. On striking on an obstacle like an atom. On an obstacle like atom, molecule, dust particle. So I can say, my dear children, in our physics, what is the minimum, what is the explanation of scattering? Scattering involves bouncing of, scattering involves bouncing of electromagnetic radiation. Bouncing of a electromagnetic radiation. Bouncing of electromagnetic radiation by atoms or molecules. By atoms or molecules of the medium through which it is traveling, through which it is traveling. Okay, so my dear children, write down bouncing of an electromagnetic radiation. The light rays go like this. Most of the beautiful phenomena in our nature, that is the blue color of sky, or I can say white color of clouds, red color of sunrise and sunset, can be explained on this theory that is called scattering of light. The scattering of light, dear children, first observed by Rayleigh. So what is the condition here? By Lord Rayleigh, is the scientist name here. The Lord Rayleigh. The Lord Rayleigh. Sunlight travels, you know very well, through the atmosphere of the earth. Sunlight जो हमारे पास आ रही है, through the atmosphere of the earth, it gets scattered from the large number of atoms or molecules available in the atmosphere. Okay, so Rayleigh studied and scattering phenomena and gives us a rule that is intensity of scattered light, intensity of scattered light, say IS. The intensity of scattered light IS varies inversely, as the fourth power of the wavelength of incident light. as the fourth power of wavelength of light. Wavelength of light, that is Is, is proportional to 1 by lambda की power 4. Another important factor in scattering of light is the relative size of scatterer. Say the size of the scatterer is x, size of the atom available in the atmosphere. The size of the scatterer, say x, compared to the wavelength of light. Wavelength of light, yes. This is the size of the scatterer, x. So the important condition, if size of the scattered particle is less than to that of wavelength of light, then Rayleigh scattering is valid. तब scattering होगा, otherwise scattering is not possible. However, when x is greater than to that of lambda, size of the scattered particle is greater than to that of wavelength of light, scattering is not valid. In that time, all wavelengths are scattered nearly equally. बराबर बराबर scattered हो जाएंगे. These are the essential conditions. Remember this. For that, Rayleigh explained one small activity that easily you can perform as an art integration or experiential learning activity. That is Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect. For that, first I am going to draw a figure here. This phenomenon of scattering of light by and collidical particles. So it is a phenomenon of scattering of light. For that, here it is a source of light. S is a strong source of white light, is held at the focus of a convex lens. Here it is a convex lens. It is at the focus. Light coming in this manner. When it is at focus, then what will happen? The emergent light will parallel to the principal axis. Here, when the source of light is at the focus of this lens, so we are getting this one. At the focus of the lens L1, it provides a parallel beam of light. Then this beam is made to pass through a transparent glass tank. Here is a transparent glass tank, G say. The transparent glass tank light is falling here. Draw. This transparent glass tank containing a clear water. Put it here. Here is a clear water. See. Then the beam emerging from the tank passes through a narrow hole made in a cardboard. Here is a cardboard in which a narrow hole is there. Light is coming, and what we can say, the light is coming like this. Here. Then the light which is coming over here will pass through in this manner. We can say the light is coming here. Here is a cardboard and hole is in center. The light is coming from the cardboard. A sharp image of this hole is obtained on the screen when it is passed through a convex lens. Then here is another lens L2. and screen is Y. Draw this figure, then I am going to explain. Yeah. Draw the figure. Here is another convex lens L2. Screen is Y. Yes. So my dear children, what is going on here? When a fine beam of sunlight, just I am giving you one example of scattering of light. जैसे लाइट हमारे पास आ रही है, ये लाइट हमारे पास आ रही है. When a fine beam of sunlight enters in a smoke filled room, जहां धुआं ही धुआं है, what happened? देखिएगा घर पर कभी स्मोक फिल्ड रूम में अगर लाइट एंटर करती है तो स्मोक पार्टिकल्स कैन इजीली विजिबल. आप दरी को झटक करके देखिए धूप में, स्मोक पार्टिकल्स इजीली विजिबल ड्यू टू द स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट फ्रॉम दिस पार्टिकल्स. दिस एक्टिविटी इजीली वी कैन परफॉर्म. ओके, राइट डाउन दिस एक्टिविटी. When sunlight passes through a canopy of a dense forest, then the water droplet in the mist easily can scatter the light in the forest. Also, this activity we can done. Then, the color of scattered light depends on the size of the scattering particles. It depends on the size of the scattering particle. That is very important. Blue light has a smaller wavelength. Blue light has a smaller wavelength compared to the red light. So fine particle of small size is scattered mainly blue light, and particle of larger size is scattered mainly the red light. ये ध्यान रखिएगा कि वेवलेंथ जो है रेड लाइट की ज्यादा होती है compared to the blue light. When the size of the scattering particle is pretty large, all wavelengths are scattered almost equally. अगर size of the particle बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो there will be no scattering. So I can say scattered light appears white. So what does this activity says? When I dissolve, first to draw the diagram, then I discuss this activity. When we dissolve 100 gram of sodium thiosulfate, here 100 gram of sodium thiosulfate, that is हाइपो भी कहते हैं उसको. तो सोडियम थायोसल्फेट इन अबाउट 1 लीटर ऑफ क्लीन वाटर, 1 लीटर क्लीन वाटर लीजिए और उसमें 100 ग्राम हाइपो डाल दी इन दिस टैंक, एंड 1 to 2 cc or drop of concentric sulfuric acid, 1 to 2 drop or 1 to 2 cc concentrate H2SO4, here it is, डाल दिया हमने इसमें. What we find? Light is coming, these things are there. Then what we can observe at the screen? This is our problem. Dear children, find microscopic sulfur particle precipitate in water in a couple of minutes. यहाँ पर precipitate of water हो जाएगा इस जगह पर, या यूं समझिए इसके सरफेस के ऊपर. Find microscopic sulfur particles. Light get scattered from this colloidal surface. Light इससे पास होने दिखिए. The second observation that we can see here, light can pass through this sulfur particle. We observe blue color to start with from the 3 sides of the glass tank. 3 sides. We can say, my dear children, here is a tank. इधर, इधर और इधर वाला. From 3 sides, we can say the blue color. When we observe the color of transmitted light from the 4th side, जो ये चौथी साइड है बच्चों, that is you can say like this. Say this is the tank. Here here and here, इधर और इधर से we can observe the blue color from this side where the cardboard का जिधर होल है, इधर से हम देखेंगे आगे. Then what is going on? From the fourth side, we observe the color of transmitted light from the fourth side of the tank facing the circular hole. This is the fourth side. Facing the circular hole, we find first orange red color here from this side. Orange red color. Because इसकी वेवलेंथ ज्यादा होती है. So we can observe orange red color, then bright red color on the screen Y. It shows that, so what is the observation made by us? It shows that due to the scattering of light, the wavelength of red light is very large. That's why we can observe over there. Very fine particle scattered may be blue light of smaller wavelength. उन्हीं को स्केटर्ड कर पा रहा है ब्लू लाइट, जिनकी वेवलेंथ कम है, that can be scattered, and the transmitted light contains a longer wavelength here. So we can see a red spot. This is a Tyndall effect. With this phenomenon, I can explain 3 to 4 phenomenon. That is why the blue color of clear sky. First, blue color of clear sky. What is the reason here? What is the answer? The blue color of clear sky is due to the elastic scattering. Elastic scattering of sunlight. This is due to the elastic scattering of sunlight. Visible light from the sun. Say this is the sun. Has a wavelength. Lambda is ranging from 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 मीटर से लेकर के बच्चों 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 मीटर तक होती है. विजिबल लाइट 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 मीटर से लेकर के 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 मीटर तक होती है. 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 meter, that is for blue color, and that is for red color. Okay? तो लाइट फ्रॉम द सन, तो लाइट आ रही है, एंड while traveling through the earth atmosphere, it gets scattered large number of molecules in the atmosphere. The size of the molecule is of the order of 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. The size of the molecule is of the order of this. That is, I can say very, very less compared to the lambda here. So scattering is valid. So intensity of scattered light varies inversely as a fourth power of its wavelength. जब lambda यहाँ पर की पावर 4 है. So the wavelength of the blue color is roughly half the wavelength of the red color. ये देख सकते हैं आप यहाँ पर, ये इसका आधा है. Wavelength is half. So intensity of scattered blue light is about 2 to the power 4. इसकी जगह 2 रखी है, half है. So 2 to the power 4, that is 16. 16 times more than that of red light. That's why the blue color dominates. And blue color dominates, so we can see sky that is appears blue. Okay? Now, why the white color of clouds? White color of clouds. Explain it. Just imagine that. What is the region of clouds is white. My dear children, the clouds are at much lower height. हमारे बहुत पास में होते हैं बादल. जब आप देखते हैं बारिश होती है तो आसानी से we can observe it. They are seen due to the scattering of light. They are seen due to the scattering of light. Now, from the lower part of Earth atmosphere, which contains in the lower part of Earth atmosphere, a large dust particles are there. In the large dust particles, ice particles, and the size of the scatterer x is very greater than to that of lambda. So scattering is not valid. All wavelengths are scattered nearly equally. तो कोई भी कलर दिखाई नहीं देता है, because size of the particle is large. So all equally scattered colors merges and gives us the sensation of whiteness. That's why cloud appears white. Then another phenomena, that is the sun looks reddish at the time of sunset and sunrise. What is that? The sun looks reddish. Sun looks reddish at the time of sunrise and sunset. Here, my dear children, say this is Earth. Here is the observer on Earth. Say this is the position. Sun is near the origin. Say, here you can say this is the position of sun. This is near the origin. Sun is near the origin. Light is coming in this manner. Blue light is scattered away like this. Just to draw the figure first. Here I can say just above this the Earth atmosphere is there. Here is the Earth atmosphere. Light is coming. At noon, sun is here. इसको मैं बाद में explain करता हूँ. At the time of sunrise and sunset, sun is near the origin that we had seen earlier in atmospheric refraction phenomenon. So sun is the near the origin. The rays from the sun have to travel a larger part of the atmosphere. बहुत दूर से आती लाइट हमारे पास. It comes a larger part of the atmosphere to reach the observer on Earth. हम यहाँ पर हैं. The most of the blue light is scattered away. The blue light is scattered away. The red color, which has the largest wavelength. Red color का जो होता है बच्चों, wavelength ज़्यादा होता है. The scattered list. Scattered list out of all the colors of sunlight, the color scattered list. So red color that enters into our eyes. Okay, so red color enters into our eyes. The sun appears reddish both the time of sunrise and sunset. But at noon, when then the sun is near the overhead, यहाँ पर देखिए, the sun is near the overhead. The sunlight has to pass through some much smaller portion of Earth atmosphere. Light सीधी आ रही है, direct, in this manner. Sun is nearly overhead. Sun is nearly overhead. So it travels a smaller portion of Earth atmosphere. The scattering is much less. जब स्कैटरिंग कम होती है तो सन जो होगा कैसे दिखाई देगा? व्हाइट. सन लुक्स व्हाइट. देन द फाइनल एग्जांपल हियर, danger signals are red, again due to the larger wavelength. Railway signal, traffic signal, ambulance light signal, all are red colors. It can be understood with the help of Rayleigh scattering of light. Rayleigh scattering of light. How it is? Now, out of all the colors of visible light, रेड कलर हैज द लार्जेस्ट वेवलेंथ। जितने भी कलर निकलते हैं सनलाइट से, रेड कलर या जिस सोर्स है हमारा, जो भी हमारे सिग्नल्स हैं, उसमें रेड कलर की वेवलेंथ ज्यादा होती है। When sunlight passes through the earth atmosphere, it gets scattered. Large number of molecules, atoms are available in the atmosphere. Size of the scatter X is much less than the wavelength of light. X is very less compared to the wavelength of light. So we can say scattering is valid here. X is less than light, and the intensity of scattered light varies inversely as the fourth power of its wavelength. The intensity is varies inversely fourth power of its wavelength. So red color is least scattered. It is least scattered. That is why when this is least scattered, it can see from the maximum distance. That is why the danger signals are red. Okay, this is all about today's module. Bye.